Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for November of 2019. Let's get right into this. I'm so excited. I'm always so excited. So this is the first month that we actually paid $25. So I'm not sure what the retail value of this month's box is. I know they said it's supposed to be over 125, so we will see. And the theme this month is Boxycharm Stiller. And as you can see, look at the inside of this box, how beautiful that is. I think they may have on accident like bent that when they were boxing it up. But that is so pretty. I love the red on the black. I got variation number 20. It's a big variation. And then this actually tells what's inside. I'm not gonna look yet. Okay, so the first thing that I see are these two eye mask. Yeah, an evening eye mask and a morning eye mask. So this is what they look like. I'm not really big on eye mask, just because like I don't know what it is. Like every eye mask that I've ever tried, it leaves like little bumps all underneath my eyes. So I'm really not a big fan of these. I don't know about this brand. I'm always so scared to try them out just because my skin seems to always react to these, and I really don't have sensitive skin, so I don't know how I feel about this. I guess I could try them out. This retails for $12. Next thing that I see that's actually inside the box is this brush set, and it's by Boxycharm, and there's two brushes. I know that if you got the Boxy Premium, I think you got a bigger brush set. It has more to it. This is like a foundation brush, and I think you could use this like for like cream contour, like the cheekbones, like because it is narrow, maybe even like the sides of your nose. I know that's a little thick for that. They seem really soft, like really good quality. I like that it's like a hard plastic for the barrels, and I love the shape of it. It's like really pretty and just like sleek looking. And these retail for $35. That is like way too expensive for two brushes. 35 bucks. Come on, Boxycharm. But I don't know. I've been using beauty sponges more than I actually use brushes anymore, just because it goes on so much flawlessly, and then it's easier to blend out like your blush and stuff to go over it. So I haven't been using a lot of brushes, but I'll try these out maybe coming up soon on another video. So the next thing that I see in the box is this Dose of Colors, which I was hoping I actually got one of the lipsticks in the shade Flirty. Let's see. Okay, so it's a really pretty like a peachy shade. I'm gonna actually go ahead and try this on real quick. Okay, so this is what the shade looks like. Really pretty. Let's see what it looks like on. So that is what the shade looks like. It's actually really pretty. I'm actually glad that I got these. I actually have one that's like kind of like a reddish shade, and I really do enjoy the formula on these. It's not very drying to the lips, and it dries down, and it really doesn't move. So that is so pretty. I really like it, especially with like a more natural look. It's really pretty. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And this retails for $18. Okay, so the next thing that I see in the box is this foundation match. They actually started doing that this month. It's either you got the foundation or the concealer, and they just want to figure out what shade you are so that you get your perfect shade. So I would think that I'd be Cashmere, but I'm gonna test them out later and figure out what shade I am. But that's awesome that we're going to be getting foundations and concealers, because I've been telling them to do this for the longest time. And everybody's like, they can't do it. I'm like, yes, you can. And even if the shade like didn't exactly match you, if you're anyone like myself, I actually mix shades all the time to get like different formulas or the exact shade that I like. So I think that it's awesome that we're going to be getting foundations and stuff and concealers, because you can mix them and create your perfect shade if it's not exactly the correct shade, which I'm fine doing. So I don't think this has a retail because it was not. It shouldn't. No. So the next thing that I actually see in the box is that there's a beautiful palette by Dominic Cosmetics. Let me try to. Okay. And this is what she looks like. Look how pretty those shades are. Oh, that one looks gorgeous. Sorry, hold on. It has a really nice mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch some of these. Oh, this one looks. That's that first one. The Eternal Light Fireball. It's actually quite pigmented. I don't know if it's like picking up. That first shade's really light. Okay. Ooh. Black Matter. Has like glitter in it. And then this one is Zero Gravity. Ooh, I like that Zero Gravity. It's like a grayish color. Ooh, look at this pink shade. I'm not really big on pinks. I see a lot of people use them though. I really like that shade right there. That is such a unique shade. And it's Storm Dust. Look at that one. So pretty. Lunar Eclipse. That one's kind of chalky. It's like really chalky, the Lunar Eclipse. Mystic Ice. Very pretty. Those are the shades. I'm really excited about that first one, the Eternal Light. That is just gorgeous. Hopefully it's not like really flaky or anything. It seems really smooth, you can see, but it is a little chunky. It has some chunky glitter in it. It's actually staying on my finger, not really wanting to swatch very well. So I am excited about this palette to try it out and see how they actually wear, because some shadows are really pretty but they don't really wear long. I mean, it seems nice, but you won't really know how they work until you actually put them to use on your eyes. So, and this retails for $35, which is expensive for an eyeshadow palette, but I think it says it's cruelty free. Yes, cruelty free. That's awesome. Yeah, so I'm excited about that. I really like the Eternal Light color. Of course I would, because I mean, I have eternal life through Jesus Christ, and I love light. Like, my whole house is basically white and gray. Like, those are my favorite colors. It's very farmhouse decor, but it's just like, I don't like dark. I like light things. Anyway, so the next thing and the last thing that's in my box is this Juice Beauty. I actually picked this out. And this retails for $50. It's eye cream. I heard people saying that they heard like bad things about this, which I've tried one of Juice Beauty's eye creams. It's the one that's in the little glass container, and I love that one. It was like apple, I believe, but it has a little applicator that's supposed to be really good, and it doesn't really tug at your skin when you're applying it. It's really smooth, because you don't want to tug too hard on your eyes, even though, I mean, like when I'm putting on makeup, I'm like, "Wah," always tugging on my eyes. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. I actually have another eye cream open right now, so I'm not going to open this until I'm done using that one. And that completes this box. Let me go ahead and calculate everything. Look how cute that is. I love the box. So this month's box retailed for $150 for 5 products, and all you paid was $25. That is an amazing deal. That is such an amazing deal, and I am like, I think I'm most excited about this. just because I love skincare. I don't know, the lipstick's pretty, the eyeshadows look pretty. The only thing that I'm like really not too big on is the eye mask, and it's only because I have such bad luck with eye masks. But that being said, yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.